Have you ever heard of Robert Kiyosaki, the author of Rich Dad Poor Dad? Well, he just said, you will work until you perish if you don't make money while you sleep. In this video, we'll discuss 6 powerful ideas that will generate you a passive income. You'll learn what passive income truly means, why it's not as effortless as it seems, and how you can set up these income streams for your long-term financial goals. Me and my team packed this video with actionable insights and proven strategies, so get ready to take the first step toward financial independence. Method 1. It doesn't matter if you have followers or not, but having followers will make it faster. So it's like this. Imagine being able to recommend a product you genuinely love to your audience and earning a commission each time they make a purchase through your link. It doesn't cost your followers anything extra. It's simply a way for companies to thank you for the referral. Take Stan Store for example. As an affiliate, you can earn an average of 20% per referral without increasing costs for your audience. Last year, the statistics showed that full-time affiliates made an average of $59,000, with top creators earning over $300,000 annually. So, how do you get started? Here's a simple guide. Number 1. Pick a niche. Focus on a specific industry to build influence quickly. Affiliate marketing thrives when you have a platform in a niche market. Top niches include e-learning, beauty, health, finance, and software as a service or SaaS, which offer commissions ranging from 30% to 70%. Number 2. Apply to programs. Join affiliate programs through platforms like Amazon Influencer, ShareASale, and Magic Links. Alternatively, apply directly to companies you love such as Canva or TubeBuddy. Number 3. Create and share links. Once approved, generate your affiliate links and distribute them widely. Embed them in YouTube descriptions, Instagram highlights, and your bio landing page to create a snowball effect. Maintaining this income stream requires consistent effort. I rate the difficulty at about 5 out of 10 moderate because it varies based on your niche and audience. Remember, consistent traffic to your links is important. You can't expect to post just once and earn passively. Method 2. Mastering the art of creating and selling digital products is simpler than you might think. You can design e-guides, templates, or presets and sell them online through your website, Etsy, or directly on your social media platforms. Take Haley Cunningham for example, a digital marketing coach. Haley created Secret SAU to 16K, earning her $20,000 in just 7 days. Over 6 months, her business pulled in $800,000 from her digital products alone. Starting with digital products is easier than you think. About a 3 out of 10 difficulty level. Start by identifying a problem in your industry. For instance, if your niche is social media, a common issue might be landing paid brand collaborations. Solve this by creating pitch templates or pitch master bundle with media kits and organization tools. To start, research what sells in your industry. Use Canva to create your products. It's free and offers numerous templates. Once done, export your work as a PDF and upload it to a platform like Stan, Etsy, or Shopify. Etsy is ideal if you prefer not to build a social presence, with many sellers earning $3,000 to $5,000 monthly. Maintaining this income stream is manageable, rated at 4 out of 10, and easier than affiliate marketing if you learn to market your products effectively. Method 3. First, let's talk about the key skills and tools you need. You'll need a computer with a webcam, a reliable internet connection, and some basic video editing software. Now, imagine this. You're sitting at your desk creating a high-value online course using your expertise. You can make money while you sleep as people from around the world purchase your course and talk about how much they've learned. Here's the deal. Online courses have exploded in popularity. Since 2000, the e-learning industry has skyrocketed by 900% and it's projected to hit $325 billion by 2025. With such massive growth, there's a huge potential to turn your expertise into a profitable business. Online courses are often high-ticket items. While you might sell a digital product for $50, courses can range from $10 to $6,000. You don't need to be an expert in a fancy subject. Just know enough to guide someone to improve. Look at Thomas Frank, who teaches the ins and outs of using Notion. To start, validate your course topic. Ensure there's interest by researching and talking to potential students. Outline your course, then create it. For maintaining an income stream, consistency is key. Use your platform to promote your course regularly and consider running ads for a more passive income approach. If you're dedicated, the rewards can be significant. Method 4. Do you know how to create a space where your audience can access exclusive content for a monthly fee? This idea requires minimal skills but can generate a reliable income stream for your business. Imagine creating a community of dedicated followers who pay you each month ensuring predictable revenue. This consistent income lets you invest confidently in your business, whether hiring more staff or investing in new tools and training. Consider two main types of membership. The first is the fan-funded or community-based model. Subscribers gain a sense of pride and loyalty by supporting you, often interacting in a Discord group or accessing behind-the-scenes content. Prices for this type are typically low, around $1 to $20 a month, making it an entry-level way for fans to connect more deeply with you. The second model is education-based, where subscribers pay for valuable content only you can provide, like training, tutorials, or exclusive wisdom. This model is similar to why people subscribe to Netflix, for the unique content rather than community interaction. As an educator, you can create a video library that offers a community aspect, combining both value types. For example, yoga and fat burn classes offer specialized content through platforms like Uscreen, which streamlines membership management. Uscreen provides a Netflix-style category system, enabling your audience to binge your content seamlessly. They even offer custom-branded apps for iPhone and Android, expanding your reach across various devices. Their focus on membership ensures a streamlined process, letting you monetize your content effectively and connect with your audience more deeply. Method 5. You'll need basic design skills and access to a print-on-demand platform for this method. Imagine creating designs that customers love without ever holding inventory. Print-on-demand handles everything, from printing to shipping, so you focus on design and marketing. Many jump into this thinking it's an easy cash grab, inspired by stories of massive earnings shared on social media. However, success requires understanding what makes a compelling design and mastering SEO if you're selling on platforms like Etsy. Start by researching with tools like eRank to find low competition niches. For instance, instead of generic coffee tumblers, try coffee tumblers where competition is lower. Use Everbee to check successful designs and price points, and upgrade to see detailed sales if you're serious. Create your design using Canva, export it, and upload it to Printify. Sync your Printify and Etsy accounts, and you're set. While it's easy to start, maintaining success involves mastering SEO and continually creating appealing designs. But once you do, your store will bloom. Method 6. Here's a solid strategy for earning money online that might surprise you if you have skills, creativity, and a passion for engaging content. Now, imagine turning that into a steady stream of income just by being active on social media platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Let's break it down. YouTube, with its diverse monetization options, tops the charts for creator earnings. Surprised? Well, here's the deal. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours within a year to unlock ad revenue. Instagram, it's a bit tricky, but with 10,000 followers in compliance with guidelines, you're in for monetization. TikTok, 10K followers, 1,000 views in 30 days, and active posting seal the deal. Maintaining income, YouTube's got the edge. While TikTok and Instagram offer perks, consistent earnings lean toward YouTube. With a smart strategy, you could be raking in thousands monthly, thanks to YouTube's enduring video shelf life. So, if you're serious about making money online, explore user-generated content or UGC opportunities. If your focus is to be a YouTube content creator, you might want to check out some of our videos. Until next time!